Hey guys, wanted to share with you some information about the review and sort of where we're going to go with this. In the past, I've had a few questions. I just want to make sure we're good on this. So basically, the review assignment, again, you can access it right through your agenda, like your upcoming assignments, where you can go back into that yellow folder. I don't have a lot of information out there, so that's why I want to make a short video here, just explain this. So when you open up this review, um, and you're just going to see sort of like it's almost like a topic organizer opposed to a review. What I'm asking you to do is sort of go back into the presentations, go back into the module, the actual reading, and start putting things together on here. So again, like where do I find information about financial planning? What's the 5-step process of SMART goals? So we're just sort of organizing things. And again, I think based upon what we've done here in the past, we've done little assignments with maybe a short presentation. So you're just going back and you're finding everything. So what I would do is I would go back into the module one underneath the course content. Okay, take a look at the resources and videos. Is there anything out there? Oh yes, there's an overview video. There's probably going to be some things in there that I talk about there that will apply to this. You certainly have the actual PDF of the chapter. There's going to be things in here that will certainly be that you can access and put on the review. So again, that's one spot where you want to go back and take a look at this. The other thing I would do is I'd go back to the individual assignments when you look at this as well. So again, anytime like your values and spending, if I have like a presentation, okay, there's going to be information in here. So again, one of the first things on there was talking about financial planning. And once this loads here again, so again, this 5-step financial planning process I'm sure is on there, so understanding what that is. So again, this is where I'm asking you to go back and look at and make sure you understand and sort of just consolidate your information back in one spot. So we have that. I know back in the SMART goals, there was another presentation as well as a video. Again, sometimes you might have to go back and review videos on here. Here's the My Decision Auto Purchase. Again, there's simply a video on there. I don't have any presentation with that. With this week that we're working on the budget, again, there's going to be some information about the budget there again. So this is where I'm telling you to go back and look, consolidate, put everything together all in one spot so we can sort of go back and make reference on this. And again, like I said, this is something we can use for the exam to help us out a little bit. So again, the more you do with this, the better you'll be on the exam next week. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.